Hey there guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I'll show you how to make this amazing PowerPoint slide using just a few steps. So you can also download this template from my Patreon link and it's in premium there. So let's start. The first thing you're going to do is insert a rectangle onto your slide and change this fill to white. Now make down a new and custom like a rounded shape using your curved line, and we're gonna just decrease its size and then rotate it like this so that we can put it in our slide and make space for other contents as well. Now insert a circle onto the top left corner, and we're gonna change its height and width to both 3 centimeter, and we're gonna duplicate it about 5 times by pressing Ctrl plus D. Next, what we're going to do is group them and then put them into the middle and ungroup them again. Now let's decrease the size of our shape. And what we're going to do next is select the shape, click on fill and click on picture texture fill and give an image fill to all of these circles. So one by one, I'm gonna insert an aesthetic image from my device because the theme of this template is also aesthetic. So I have downloaded some very beautiful images from Pinterest.com. You can check out these images from there. But let me tell you this again that you can join my Patreon for only $1 and you can also join it for free and you can get your very new and very professional free templates from there. It is completely free to use as well. So don't be late and join my membership right now. So what you're gonna do next is insert an image in the background. And this image is really static one. And I'm just gonna crop it like this to make the main view in the slide. Next, we're gonna select the shapes and we're gonna give them the shadow. Let's just make this circle bigger as the first one image is in the slide. So we're just gonna increase the size and the size we're gonna use is 3.6 centimeter for the height and a width as well. Let's just move it on top and for these smaller circles, let's just move them down. And we're gonna insert a text box in which we're gonna write our text. The font I'm using is Irony font and we're gonna use eyedropper to give it a fill and this looks too nice. Next, we're gonna insert a content text and unbold it and decrease its size, and we're gonna decrease it more. Change this fill to gray, and here our text goes as well. Next, we're gonna insert a one corner rectangle in which we're gonna write one word, such as explore or buy or anything else. And we're going to change this fill to the same as the text. Now duplicate your slide and change this circle's height and width to the same as 2 centimeter again and increase the second circle size height and width to about 2.6 centimeter. For this image, let's go to picture format and go to change replace the image and you can use the same image that you use in the second circle. And let's just crop it and for the header and the shape, let's just give it the fill using a new fill using eyedropper from the new image. Now duplicate the slide and make the second of the circle back to its original size and we're gonna increase the size of the third of the circle to 3.6 centimeter. And we're gonna select the text and then change it. It's a fill and we're gonna go to the background image. We're gonna add the same image we use in the third circle and we're gonna change the fill of the text as well as the rectangle as well. Now we're going to duplicate our slide and customize the text and move the back third circle to its original size of 2 centimeter. And for the fourth one, we're going to move it to 3.6 centimeter. We're going to replace the image to the same image we use in the fourth of the circle. We're going to move the image upwards so that we can clearly see what is in it. Next, we're going to add our header. This way we can add a new header and change its field. Duplicate your slide into a fifth slide and repeat the following same steps of changing the image and also replacing the circle size. So these are just same steps that you need to take and you can download this template from my Patreon for premium, and it's really nice template that you can use and get for only $5. And you can also explore other of my templates on Patreon. So this is why you're gonna select all of your templates and then go to transitions tab and then click on more transition. So this is the final result of what we made in this video. And if you like this video, be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and also hit the bell icon. Plus you can download this template from my Patreon for premium.